how to speed up Windows 11 or 10. Let's go, guys. We'll start here with disk cleanup. So you're going to click on the start menu, and here you'll simply type disk cleanup. You don't even need to finish typing. It'll already show up below. Just click it. When you click, it'll open up here, and this disk cleanup is exactly for deleting unnecessary Windows files and freeing up space. So here you can check all these boxes, okay? There's no problem at all. You can check them. Notice that the recycle bin will also delete files from the bin anyway. Now you'll click on the OK option. They'll ask if you really want to delete these files. You can click here to delete. There's no problem. And it'll start cleaning up unnecessary files and freeing up space. Look, the recycle bin has already been emptied, okay guys? That's the first step. Second step, let's go, is to disable programs that start up with Windows, okay? So on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift and ES, go ahead and press them, and the task manager will open up here. Here guys, you can end processes. I'm going to enlarge it. Here, as you can see, there are several processes running right now on Windows, okay? So this ends up making the computer slow. So for example, an application that you are not using. For instance, I'm not using this one right now. Look, it started up with Windows. So I can click on it and end this task here. Notice how much it's using from your CPU here, okay? And memory. So you click here to end it. It will end and automatically your CPU usage will go down. I'm also going to end this one here. Microsoft Edge, I'll end it and several here to improve my Windows performance. So this is the second step. Now I'm going to close it. You can also open the This PC option. It will show your local disk. You can simply right-click on it, click on Properties, go to the Tools tab, and here you have the option to optimize your computer's drives, which will help it run more efficiently, okay? So you can click to optimize, click here to optimize, wait a little bit, it's optimizing, and that's it, you can close it. I'm going to close this here. And also, something very important is for you to update Windows Update, okay? So click on the Start button, type in Windows Update. The Windows Update settings will show up. You click on it, and from there you can check for updates, okay? You click to check, and if there's any kind of update needed, you can automatically update and make your system, your Windows, faster, okay? As you can see, there's an update here to be done. It's available. You just need to click here to download and install it. It will start downloading right away. So this is an important step. Always keep your system updated, okay? And to finish up, guys, while it's downloading here, it's important that you restart your PC regularly, okay? It may seem simple, but it really helps maintain performance. And if after doing all this, your PC is still slow, it could be due to a lack of RAM or a slow hard drive. In that case, you can switch to an SSD, which makes a big difference, alright? I hope I was able to help those who wanted to know how to speed up and improve the performance of Windows 10 or 11. If I helped you, don't forget to help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.